if your mount came full assembled like this with the actual mounts on the back, lift it up all the way and put it against the head unit like this. Make sure they are making contact with the head unit, and try to bring it down at about a 120-degree angle. That's not to be exactly that, but you have to use some judgment here, and this is good enough. And make sure they are both making contact with the head unit. And at this point, you want to remove the adhesive from the back. Like so. And you can place this at any area you want, but I prefer to place it at the very top or close to the top. And again, you have to use some judgment here, so make sure you try your best. And once they are in contact, release them and apply some pressure on both. You can apply some pressure here first for about 10 seconds and the other half for another 10 seconds, and you do the same for this one as well. And if for some reason your installation is a little bit crooked, that is totally fine. It's not going to damage your mount. It's not going to affect the way the mount works, and it will be perfectly fine. If there is a minor imperfection, that is totally fine. Nothing bad is going to happen, so you can just use it as is. And to account for the little imperfection, you can just adjust it by using this screw over here. You see, as you can see, you can just adjust it to account for the little imperfection. So you don't have to freak out. You don't have to remove everything and start over. If there is a little imperfection, like this one is slightly higher than this, then it's fine. You can just account for that imperfection by adjusting one side only.